Hi, everybody. Welcome to Nate's Breaks. We are getting ready to do our first baseball break of the year. We are live on Facebook Live, and then this will be up on our YouTube page probably within the next 24 hours or so. Tonight we have 3 mega boxes for 2021 Topps Baseball, the Holiday Edition. Within each box, usually you have one ornament, as well as either one relic, an autographed, or an autographed relic card in each box. 100 cards per box, so we have 300 cards total for tonight. You can see our 3 boxes, and we'll go through our participants before we start opening our packs. I'd like to appreciate everybody who put in their bids for tonight. Everything has been paid for, and all cards will ship. We should be out by tomorrow. Let's see. For the teams, we have Kyle B. with the Diamondbacks, Brian Y. for the Braves, Jack D. for the Orioles and the Red Sox, Joseph M. for the White Sox, Alex J. for the Cubs, John S. for the Reds, Chuck G. for the Indians, Alex J. for the Rockies and Tigers, Matthew P. for the Astros, Alex J. for the Royals, John S. for the Angels, Matthew P. for the Dodgers, Jessica T. for the Marlins, Mike K. for the Brewers, Joseph M. for the Twins, Michael D. for the Yankees, Matthew P. for the Mets, Nicholas I. for the A's, Matthew P. for the Phillies, Roz D. for the Pirates, Kyle B. for the Padres, Anthony G. for the Giants, Matthew P. for the Mariners, John P. for the Cardinals, Jack D. for the Rays, Alex J. for the Rangers, and Ted G. for the Blue Jays and Nationals. All right, we're going to get into our first box. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we find some nice autographs tonight, or something along that nature. We should have our 10 packs plus a ornament in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Empty box. And our ornament for this first box is a Mike Trout. So that's going to John S. And we will start. So good luck. There will be some variations in these cards, as well as some of them sometimes will be metallic as well. We got Yadier Molina, Anthony Rizzo with the Yankees uniform, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Steven Strasburg, David Price, Justin Verlander, Colin Moran, rookie card for Nate Pearson, and David Peralta, and Jack Flaherty. All the rookie cards will be sleeved. Any hits will go out in top loaders. Everything's going to be in team packs and mailed in bubble mailers. Okay, Yu Darvish. Rookie card for Daz Cameron, Charlie Blackmon, Tyler Glasnow, Eddie Rosario for the Braves. Jacob deGrom. Dansby Swanson. Corey Kluber. Juan Soto. And a Trey Turner with the Dodgers. All right, next pack. We got a rookie for Trevor Larnach. Shohei Ohtani. A rookie for Travis Blankenhorn. Marcus Semien. We got something going on here. We got Garrett Cole in a Santa hat. Adbert Alzolay. Jed Lowry. Austin Meadows. Rookie card of Kyle Isbell. And a second Eddie Rosario. Welcome, John. I don't know if you saw that we got a Mike Trout ornament in the first box. We got DJ LeMahieu. A rookie for Sam Huff. Christian Yelich. A rookie for Victor Gonzalez. Gene Segura. This is actually one of the metallic cards. Walker Buehler. A rookie card for Josh Palacios. Alex Verdugo. A rookie for Alejandro Kirk. A rookie for Alex Kirilloff. All right, next pack. We got Javi Baez. A rookie for Spencer Howard. There's a relic card for Gary Sanchez of the Yankees. That's going to Michael D. We got Manny Machado, Justin Turner, Ronald Acuna, Ryan Zimmerman, and a rookie for Jorge Oña. All right, next pack, we got Ketel Marte, a rookie for Zach McKinstry, Bo Bichette, Jesus Aguilar, another Walker Buehler, Mitch Haniger, John Lester, who actually just retired, Michael Kopech, a rookie for Dane Dunning, and Franmil Reyes. All right, starting off the next pack with a rookie for Zach Birdie, Brandon Belt, Nick Solak, JD Martinez, Albert Pujols, Giancarlo Stanton, Paul Goldschmidt, a rookie card for Ian Anderson, and a rookie card for Brady Singer. One more. Rookie of Estevan Florial. Next pack, we got a Byron Buxton, a rookie card for Yermin Mercedes, Wilson Contreras, a rookie card for Jose Barrero for the Reds, a rookie card for Nick Gordon for the Twins. That's actually one of the metallic cards. Yuli Gurriel, Kevin Biggio, Andrew McCutchen, a rookie card for Cody Heer, and Ozzie Albies. All right, we're starting off. We got a Jared Walsh, one of the rookie cups. Nolan Arenado. Elvis Andrus. There's a rookie for Jared Kelenic. This one's going to Matthew P. We got a Miguel Cabrera with a Santa Claus belt on. A rookie card for Dylan Carlson. Ian Happ. Aaron Judge. A rookie card for Shane McClanahan. And Jackie Bradley Jr. All right, and our last pack for box number 1. We have Xander Bogaerts, a rookie card for Bobby Delbeck, Jose Ramirez, a rookie for Garrett Crochet, a rookie for Josh Pelisos. Actually, that is a, not metallic, but it's got some rays to it. We got Corey Seager, Jason Hayward, Chris Bryant with the Giants, a rookie card of Nick Madrigal with the Cubs, and a rookie card for Trevor Rogers. Okay, we'll get to our second box here. Get our 10 packs and our ornament. Empty box. Our ornament is, we got Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. That's going to Matthew P. And our packs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So starting off the second box, we got a rookie card of Jake Cronenworth A rookie card for Luis Campusano. There's our Rookie of the Year, Jonathan India for the Reds. We got Hunter Dozier. That's a foil or metallic of Max Scherzer with the Dodgers. Xander Bogaerts. Another Bobby Dalbec rookie card. Jose Ramirez. Garrett Crochet rookie card. And a Francisco Lindor. Next pack. We got rookie for Geraldo Perdomo, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. There is our relic for this box, Will Smith for the Dodgers. Rookie card for John Nagowski. A rookie cup for Kyle Lewis. Zach Wheeler. George Springer. And a rookie for Taylor Trammell. All right, starting off the next one, we got Kyle Hendricks, Fernando Tatis Jr., a rookie card for Clark Schmidt, Pete Alonso, a rookie card for Nate Pearson. That's actually got some rays to it. Victor Robles, a rookie card for Connor Brogdon, Cedric Mullins, and a rookie for Dalton Jeffries. One more, Dustin May. A lot of Dodgers coming up in this box. All right, we have a rookie card for Brent Honeywell Jr., a rookie card for Sixto Sanchez, a rookie card for Kohei Arihara, Joey Votto, rookie card for Tarek Skubal, Gary Sanchez, a rookie card for Christian Javier, Max Scherzer, Gio Urshela, and Randy Arozarena. All right, next pack, we got a rookie card for Joe Adell, a rookie for Jose Devers, Clayton Kershaw, a rookie cup for Devin Williams, another Gio Urshela. This one's metallic. Not sure if you can see the shine on there. Tim Anderson, a rookie card for Alec Bohm, a rookie card for David Peterson, Mookie Betts, and Yoan Moncada. Up next, we got Trey Mancini, Jose Barrios in a Blue Jays uniform, Carlos Correa, Brandon Lowe, Max Scherzer with a scarf on. They really like the Dodgers this box. Luis Robert with the Gold Cup. A rookie card for Keibert Ruiz. A rookie card for Christian Pache. Alex Bregman. And Paul DeYoung. Up next, we got Eric Hosmer. A rookie card for Andrew Young. Zach Greinke. A rookie card for Braylon Marquez of the Cubs. A little bit of raise to the snowflakes on here. David Peralta for the Diamondbacks. Whit Merrifield. Adam Wainwright. There's Bryce Harper. A rookie card for Evan White. And Max Fried. Right, here we have a rookie card for Gilberto Celestino. There's a nice Cabrian Hayes rookie card. That one's going to Roz D. Marcus Stroman. Max Kepler. Here we have a rookie card for Alex Kirilov. See if there's anything different than the other cards. They threw it in there backwards for a reason. Gleyber Torres. Jesus Luzardo. Michael Brantley. Andrew Benintendi. And Hyunjin Ryu. We got Cody Bellinger. A rookie card for Haesung Kim. Trevor Story. A rookie card for Devi Garcia. Randy Arozarena. That's metallic. A rookie card for Ryan Jeffers. Chris Paddock. Nathaniel Lau. Gene Segura. And a rookie card for Nick Gordon. All right, last pack for this box. We got Freddie Freeman. A rookie card for Jazz Chisholm. Matt Chapman. A rookie card for Dalton Varsho. Mike Yastrzemski. A rookie card for Andrew Vaughn. Matt Olson. Joey Gallo in a Yankees uniform. Garrett Cole. And Miguel Cabrera. This will be our third and last box for tonight. Get our 10 packs and our ornament out. And start off with our ornament, and it is our second Mike Trout. So, John, you got 2 Mike Trout ornaments coming your way. And we got a rookie card for Zach McKinstry, Bo Bichette, Jesus Aguilar, a rookie for Zach Birdie, Chris Sale with a little bit of a raise to the Snowflakes, a rookie card for Dane Dunning, Franmil Reyes. You're welcome, John. I'm trying to help out people as much as possible. Giancarlo Stanton, Paul Goldschmidt, and a rookie card for Ian Anderson. Here we got Brandon Belt, Nick Solak, JD Martinez, Albert Pujols. We got Luis Robert holding some presents. A rookie card of Brady Singer. Esteban Florial rookie card. Yuli Gurriel. Kevin Biggio. Andrew McCutchen. Here we got Byron Buxton, a rookie card for Yermin Mercedes, Wilson Contreras, a rookie card for Jose Barrero, Elvis Andrus, a rookie card for Cody Hure, Ozzie Albies, rookie card for Dylan Carlson, Ian Happ, and Aaron Judge. We got a Jared Walsh rookie cup, Nolan Arenado, Elvis Andrus, a rookie card for Jared Kelenic, Xander Bogaerts, a rookie card for Shane McClanahan, Jackie Bradley Jr., Corey Seager, Jason Hayward, and Chris Bryant. And we got a Bobby Dalbec rookie card, Jose Ramirez, Garrett Crochet rookie card, Francisco Lindor, Aaron Nola, Nick Madrigal rookie card for the Cubs, Trevor Rogers rookie card for the Marlins, Rhys Hoskins, a rookie card for Isaac Paredes, and Starling Marte. A rookie card for John Nagowski, a rookie card for Kyle Lewis. Our last relic is a Brandon Lau for the Rays. Jermaine Marquez, Chris Sale, Aaron Nola, a rookie card for Jake Cronenworth for the Padres, and also for the Padres, Luis Campusano. Here we got Zach Wheeler, George Springer, a rookie card for Taylor Trammell, Victor Robles. This is a metallic of Jared Kelenic. That's going to be going to the Mariners and Matthew P. There's another Jonathan India rookie card. That one's coming your way, John. Hunter Dozier. A rookie card for Geraldo Perdomo. Vladimir Guerrero. And Kyle Hendricks. We have a rookie card for Connor Brogdon, Cedric Mullins, Dalton Jeffries, that's a rookie card, Dustin May. Here we got Cabrian Hayes in a Santa hat. That's going to Roz D. Fernando Tatis. A rookie card of Clark Schmidt. Pete Alonso, and a rookie card of Brent Honeywell Jr., and a rookie card of Sixto Sanchez. Here we got Gary Sanchez. A rookie card of Christian Javier, Max Scherzer, Gio Urshela, a rookie card for Jake Cronenworth, a rookie for Kohei Arihara, Joey Votto, a rookie of Tarek Skubal, a rookie for Joe Adell, and a rookie for Jose Devers. All right, last pack of the night. Again, thank you for everybody for joining us on Facebook. This will be on YouTube within 24 hours. I hopefully have it tonight. And then everything will be shipped out tomorrow. Any rookies will be in sleeves. Any of the hits will be in top loaders, everything in team bags and in bubble mailers. We got Randy Arozarena, Tim Anderson, a rookie card for Alec Bohm, a rookie card for David Peterson, a Mookie Betts, Clayton Kershaw, rookie cup of Devin Williams, Trey Mancini, Jose Barrios, and Carlos Correa. Again, thank you, everybody. I hope everybody has a good night. If you are interested, we have a WWE break tomorrow night and NFL break Sunday night, all happening at 9:30 Eastern. And then next Friday night is the next baseball one. That is a update series hobby box. There is a gold label hobby box and contenders mega box, and those have all been posted for those teams. Everybody have a good night, and we will see you soon.